So I also kind of want to show you that whether you're working in Sheets or working in Excel, the prompts are still the same for you to add multiple items in a cell and kind of put them on top of each other. So I will just put another person in here. And I'm just going to type some of these mods that are over on the sheet, on the IEP. Just to give you a general idea that it's still pretty much the same task. Alright, so let's see, go right here, you're going to do ALT and then enter, and then right in front of directions you're going to do ALT and enter. Now remember, it's always important to make sure that you did select the wrap, because if you don't wrap, it's going to look like that. So you definitely want to select the wrap for this column for testing accommodations.